Happy vending.
Hi, it's Bill, and today we're going to be replacing the slam latch on this Royal 669 G3 machine. The slam latch is what keeps this inner door closed. Now, oftentimes when the machine gets old, you can see the latch down here, this plastic dry rots and then it becomes brittle and breaks off. And this one here broke off and this inner door doesn't stay latched. I mean, it doesn't really hurt the operation of the machine, but it gets kind of annoying when you're loading if this keeps flopping open and hitting you. So I'm going to replace it. All you need is a screwdriver. I got the part from Royal. This is what the new one looks like. Part number 812002. It's called the burst open latch. Just need 2 screws on this. So there's the new one next to the old one. You can see the piece of plastic that broke off. You don't even have to turn off the machine for this repair. You're not near anything electrical. Real simple here. Spring goes up. I'm just going to line it right up where the old one was. And it should line up pretty good in the machine. Make it good and tight. And then we'll test it out here. All right, let's see how this works. Let's close it up. Latches, now it won't flop open on you. You want to get it open, give it a quick tug, and there you go. Quick repair. That's all for today. Thank you. I'm Bill, and happy vending.